Welcome to Visions of Society. Today I'm going to be doing an Aries reading. Let's see what we got for Aries. Happy Easter, everybody. Hope everybody didn't eat too much and that they're so sick today that they can't go to work. Though I'm sure a lot of people would love that. So, first card for Aries. We have the Hermit in reverse. Getting this energy of you being paranoid for a reason. Somebody's giving you anxiety. This could be your partner. Seems that your partner is trying to put you in a state of anxiety so that maybe they can keep you on the edge for a reason. Three of Cups means that instead of saying, hey, I'm going to sit here in anxiety and in fear of my partner cheating on me, I'm going to go out and celebrate and have a good time. Could be a lot of parties going on at this time, graduations, baby showers, etc. Eight of Wands. Seems like you may know a person that you suspect that your lover is cheating on you with or messing around, with you with. Seems like they're picking and prodding at you, and they're trying to get you to move away from your own partner. It seems like your partner's in on this, and they like putting you in a state of anxiety. You may not be aware of this, and you might be aware of this. It seems like you're a much harder worker. You might be thinner than the person that is trying to approach your lover. You produce results, and this person's just like sitting back, like all lazy and stuff, expecting everybody else to do everything for them. So he's like catering to somebody, but he has you sitting on on the sideline, like, and he you're actually with this person, and he has you sitting on the sideline for someone that's lazy. What the? Yeah, so this looks like it already. Like, he's trying to put you in a state of anxiety all the time so that you're worried about him cheating on you or her cheating on you, and this other person is just lazy as hell, don't want to do anything, and he or she doesn't even want to text your lover, but he kind of keeps chasing them. He enjoys chasing them. Page of Wands in reverse, acting out. So he'll actually create problems and then act out to try to avoid accountability. So he's definitely aware, and he enjoys breaking people's hearts. He definitely likes to see people in pain. That's why. Such sad, pathetic, petty energy. And he's not even a king. It's the page. It's the tool. Well, he or she, I should say. It's either sex. The Fool card definitely says it all right here. You deserve better. Maybe you needed to hear that today. But he or she is playing on your, naivety and inexperience in relationships, trying to see what he or she can exploit around every turn, whether it's new lovers, new resources, as far as trying to, I guess so to say, get more attention. Could be in it for just all the attention, since this other person is so lazy. Getting that they're out of shape. They're very out of shape. The person that that they're trying to go to over you. And I don't mean to pick on anybody in that sense. I'm not trying to say that. It's just what I'm getting. It's from these cards today. It seems like he's going to a lesser lover over you, and he's just doing it. He or she. I keep saying he. It's he or she. You deserve better. You deserve better. he knows you, or he or she knows you do better. Here I go again. So this is, one hell of a, around Easter too, this kind of energy, that picking and prodding energy just to get reactions. Looks like he or she wants to get reactions out of you, wants to make you feel they're insecure. They want to make you feel like you don't deserve as much as you do. It could be, in fear of you leaving to begin with. So trying to create some kind of trauma bond, it looks, to keep you around. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Says it all right here, cheating. Just poor quality relationship, poor quality people, just a lot of drama and nonsense. Let's see, what do we have for Aries as far as anything, what good is coming for Aries? What good is coming in for Aries? Five of Wands reverse. Compromise. End of conflict. So it looks like there's going to be an end of conflict to anything that's going on, or any setbacks going on. So it could be that you just decide to walk away entirely, and you'll just move right on. Like, you'll just avoid the conflict. Any kind of disagreements, you don't even care about the agreements, I guess, too. It looks like you're tired. You don't even care about the agreements that you guys come to. You're just sick and tired of all of it. You know you deserve better. You know you do. Knight of Cups. Just looks like you got more proposals and offers and invitations coming in. It's definitely a follow your heart kind of card. People are willing to work for you, and that's what you want to hear. People, you got a person out here. I am getting probably 3 people that are close, that you have had interactions with in the past. It just never went anywhere at the time. It looks like these people are more intelligent. Some could be younger, some could be older, but following your heart at this time is definitely where you need to be as far as that goes. Wherever you feel that strongest attraction, where you feel that flame. What else we got coming in good for Aries this month? Well, going into next month too. The World card. Success and achievement, accomplishments. It looks to me like you're getting ready. If you don't know about this situation, if you don't know what's going on and you're at the beginning of it, it looks to me like you're going to get over this real quick and move on. It may hurt you for a little while, but your physical and emotional health with this World card shows that you ain't going to play. And this other person is just a tool. This is all I have for Aries for today. Thank you very much.